Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and as you can see, I'm going full Poindexter today with my deep sea diving goggles. Why not? What the heck? So the unit we're demonstrating today is for a late 70s Lincoln. It's for Mike at Dara Oil, located in Wichita, Kansas, and Mike has requested the modern internal conversion wired to the original connectors so he doesn't get the increase in output power, but we do have Bluetooth now and of course AM-FM and aux input. So we're going to check everything before we send her back, so let's set it. I've got it set to AM right now to the one strong station I get, so we can demonstrate our virtual balance and fader functions during talk radio and not get nailed for copyright issues. So let's go ahead and turn it on to AM.
Arizona.
AM.
Will secure our border, finish the wall, provide border patrol agents with
Okay, first I'm going to adjust now. The first thing I'll say is we no longer use the balance and fader functions because especially the fader control has a limited lifespan. A lot of them no longer work. We don't want this thing to go out a couple years from now. So now we have a left-right balance and a front-rear fader. It's all in the tone control, and I'm going to show you how we do that.
For U.S. Senate.
So we're going to rotate our tone control to the center position, and then to adjust our virtual front rear fader, we give it 2 turns to the right. So let's try that.
Committee, www.aidpac.com. Fader adjust.
Okay.
Been here before. Was a
All the way
statement
front,
that found his
all the way
need
rear,
for Assist Harry and
front,
ticket. Get some
rear.
adventure back
Okay,
in that
we'll
old
center
car
'em.
project or the beater of the week you're driving.
Fader set.
Okay.
If you're driving,
Left-right balance. Same procedure except we turn our control twice to the left.
open 7 days a week at Prescott Valley.
Balance adjust.
Okay.
Line at
All the way left.
upaz.com.
All the way
That's
right.
The letter U pick.
Left.
Az.com.
Right.
We're
Okay, I'm
the
gonna
Q&A.
center him.
Balance set.
Okay. Let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my ear for a quick test. We don't need this stuff anymore.
Sponsored by
Okay, FM.
Improves their quality of life. Cities.
Enter the Jim and Linda Lee.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
Embry Riddle, Sousa's.
And lead me to your wonderland of love. We can start anew. What they're saying, it's alone was all I had to do. Let's go steady again. Body calls her badger. The world through a tape. Tweedledum, yeah.
Ready. Pull the tape
Yeah,
out.
now,
Tape
if
comes back. Okay, let's check dial light, make sure that comes on. And I've already made sure of that during various phases. And you probably can't see it, but I can. And they are working already, so we're good to go here. She's ready to go back to the customer. I'm ready to do some paperwork and hit the post office like in the next hour or so. So I'm going to be pretty brief here. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, of course, in full Poindexter mode today. And to reach me for service, the best thing to do is to visit my website, which is in the description below. If you read just the home page of my website from top to bottom, it'll walk you through the entire process of finding out your options, prices, downloading and printing a work order, how to pack your unit correctly for safe transit. My packing requirements are not optional, they are necessary. It has to be packed my way. So all you got to do is just read the entire home page of my website that's in the description below. And then if you have questions, then it's just a quick phone call instead of a 20-minute phone call that keeps me off the bench where the work actually gets done. So please observe that. Thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Mike. And he also goes by Will from Dara Oil in Wichita, Kansas. And we'll see you guys next time.